because we are combusting so much oxygen, the ozone layer has suffered.
All the gases, the organic gases that gets expelled from the surface of the planet finds its way up into the upper air, into the upper stratosphere, where the ozone layer is, and this is of course where the ozone is immediately there to combat, to neutralize all these pollutants. And due to the fact that there's an excessive, shall I say, volume of pollutants being generated, the ozone layer finds it's very hard to neutralize this, and hence creating a hole.
What this means to us is that with less purified air, there is less oxygen in the atmosphere. And scientists have proved that most diseases are due to an insufficient amount of oxygen in the body, and especially so in the case of cancers.
If you look at all the cars exhausting fumes, organic gases into the atmosphere, naturally that the oxygen levels are being pushed further away from human beings, with the ultimate result in us inhaling all these toxins.
With technological advancements, we've developed ways to reproduce ozone and make use of the gas for many daily functions. Purification of our drinking water is where ozone is used as a potent disinfectant. And in Durban, almost all drinking water is purified using only ozone.
The most effective way of purifying it is with the use of ozone, because the type of water that we get from Inanna Dam, which is the last dam on the Mgeni River, has a high degree of pollutants. And therefore, for us to use ozone, we would be able to remove effectively the bacteria or viruses that's in the water. Taste and odors are also eliminated with the use of ozone. Here at Mgeni Water, we put our money where our mouth is.
Medizone conducted an independent test with the South African Bureau of Standards. The test showed how life-threatening pollutants in our drinking water are eliminated by using ozone. The bacteria were neutralized in just 10 minutes. Ozone's ability to purify without leaving a toxic residue is utilized in the export of quality fruit and vegetables out of the Ceres Valley in the Cape.
We use ozone as a disinfectant in the pack shed to disinfect apples from E. coli and stuff like that, to make sure that it's ready to eat when it goes into the box.
Ozone is also used in the largest aquarium in Africa. The Ushaka Aquarium is the 5th largest in the world. The water quality is maintained using only ozone. These giant ozonators purify the water and prevent pathogens and microbes interrupting the balance required for healthy sea life to exist.
The clarity of your water is never as good as when you're running ozone.
The uses of ozone as a disinfectant are very clearly diverse, and of course it's of great benefit to our atmosphere and to nature. Most importantly, it makes human life possible. Ozone is vital for cell creation, and that all begins with respiration. Red blood cells carry oxygen from the lungs to the rest of the body. Ozone, applied in precise amounts, increases oxygen uptake and stimulates the release of oxygen throughout the body. This strengthens our immune system. It enhances healing and speeds up recovery. And this is why ozone has so many medical applications. It is highly effective in the treatment of psoriasis, wounds and burns, dermatitis, cancerous ulcers, and diabetes. These are all topical applications. But ozone is also used in the treatment of cancer and HIV. And we will experience some observations from individuals who have overcome seemingly impossible battles with disease and viruses using only ozone.
There is nothing more powerful, more effective, more sustainable, more predictable than ozone when it comes to treating disease.
There's a lot of scope for ozone to treat a whole host of bone diseases, osteoarthritis, and probably many other more conditions.
Probably half my practice runs on ozone.
Ozone therapy is, I would say, is a great medical breakthrough of our time.
Lots of diseases around us are being created for ourselves due to the fact of the absence of oxygen.
It's a very valuable treatment to treat your infected wounds.
But no wound healing success story compares to Marie-Christelle Swartz. She was involved in a car accident and was left with infected tissue on half of her face.
I was very worried that my face wasn't going to heal properly, and that I was going to be left with very bad scarring. If you've seen what I looked like then and what I look like now, it's unbelievable what medicine did for me.
The remarkable beauty of ozone is that it scavenges only the infected tissue, yet it simultaneously nourishes healthy cells by supplying enriching oxygen to those unaffected areas. Dr. Sean Stewart demonstrates.
Here we have a polyatomic apheresis machine, which is a very strong ozone machine. There is an oxygen cylinder, pure oxygen, 99.997% pure from Afrox. The oxygen goes into the machine and comes out at the moment. We are running pure oxygen out the system, and here's a quick test. There's oxygen bubbling out. You see that bubbling? Take the oxygen and I apply it to my skin. Obviously there's going to be no damage, and I apply it to the latex glove for this example, and as you can see, nothing's happening to the latex whatsoever, just operating. Now this is a visual example of what ozone does to viruses in the body. Normal healthy tissue, viral particulate. Healthy tissue, viral particulate. Turn on the machine, and as you can see, I've done nothing else. I just turn it on. The bubbling is still going through the system. Put it on my skin. Nothing's doing, no damage to the skin. It's whatsoever. I can flap around. Nothing's happening to the skin. But when I apply it to the latex, it eats away the latex glove rather rapidly. Can you see this? And that's the speed ozone kills disease in the body. Very rapidly. There's nothing like it on the planet.